Welcome back to Triple J Outdoors. Today we're out here with the Angry Anglers. We're doing a little kiddie pole challenge here and doing a little trout fishing. We've got a 2-hour time limit. See how many fish we can catch on the kiddie pole. Stay tuned, we should have a good one for you. Here we have the Angry Anglers hard at it, just looking at their poles. They never put them in the water.
Wait, you gotta put them in the water for it to work?
Typical Skinner, don't even know how to use his own pole.
Oh, fish on. Kiddie pole.
Boobs with the first fish on the kiddie pole.
It's a trout.
And it's a trout.
Yes!
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Congratulations to the Angry Anglers. With the only trout caught on the kiddie pole during the kiddie pole challenge, they won.